Today's word of encouragement comes from Hebrews 7, verse 14. For it is evident that our Lord arose from Judah. This is an interesting one because some of the chapters in the Bible, they can totally shock us with how raw and graphic they can be. And God doesn't hesitate to show us how ugly sin can be. And the damage that it can inflict on those who are foolish and disobedient. Genesis 38 is an example of this, telling us the story of Judah and the son of Jacob, who married a Canaanite woman, and then it inadvertently slept with his daughter-in-law, thinking that she was a harlot. It's a shocking contrast to the story of Joseph, who in the next chapter refused to sleep with his master's wife, and ran off, leaving his cloak behind. Yet, to our astonishment, Judah helped reunite his family in Genesis 44, verses 18 through 34, and became the father of the tribes of Israel, through where the Messiah eventually comes from, the line that he comes from. You can read about this in Genesis 49, verse 10. We see some of the worst names in Genesis 38 show up again in Matthew 1 with the genealogy of Christ. In the book of Revelation, Jesus is called the Lion of the tribe of Judah. You see that in Revelation 5, verse 5. And that shows that God can turn a family's shame into a future, to a real future. God's grace can mend a broken situation, redeem a broken person, and answer prayers. Can turn a terrible loss into a powerful legacy. Don't give up on yourself, and don't give up on your loved ones, because God can work miracles. With that word of encouragement, God bless. We'll talk to you soon.